Create an inviting entryway with a festive doorway display. Frame your door with holiday greenery, twinkling lights, and hanging ornaments to welcome guests with Christmas cheer. Place lanterns filled with candles or string lights along your porch for a cozy glow. Adding holiday ornaments or sprigs of greenery inside each lantern enhances the festive look. Make a statement with oversized ornaments in your yard or hanging from trees. They add a fun, whimsical touch and can be easily customized with various colors and finishes. Guide guests to your door with a lighted Christmas pathway. Use solar-powered lights, Luddy candy canes, or small luminaries to create a festive path. Add a touch of rustic charm with Christmas-themed wooden signs. Choose sayings like "A Merry Christmas" or "Joy" and lean them against the porch railing or place them in the yard. Transform your window boxes with holiday greenery, pine cones, and red berries. Add mini ornaments or twinkle lights for an extra festive touch. Add holiday cheer with a reindeer topiary or two. Made of greenery and lights, these unique decor pieces add a natural touch while celebrating the season's whimsy. Instead of one wreath, hang a trio of wreaths on your front door. Choose various sizes and decorate them with matching bows and ornaments for a layered, elegant look. Bring the Christmas spirit outdoors by decorating an evergreen tree in your yard. Add weatherproof ornaments and string lights to make it shine, even from a distance. Create a grand entrance with a DIY garland arch over your walkway. Use fox greenery, twinkling lights, and red ribbons to make a dramatic holiday statement. For a nostalgic touch, use a vintage sleigh or sled as a decorative piece. Add some evergreen branches, ornaments, and a big red bough for classic holiday charm. Turn your fence or railing into a candy cane display by wrapping red and white ribbons or lights around each post. It's a simple, eye-catching way to spread holiday joy. For a traditional holiday touch, set up an outdoor nativity scene. Soft lights and simple figures create a meaningful and peaceful display. Decorate your yard with large, light-up gift boxes. Place them near the entryway or along your pathway to give the impression of a giant holiday surprise. If you have a fire pit, decorate it with holiday greenery, plaid blankets, and pillows. It's a cozy spot for gathering with loved ones and enjoying warm holiday drinks.